Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and getting both devices on the same network. First, check your Roku's OS and model. AirPlay requires Roku OS 9. 4 or later, then enable AirPlay under Settings. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad is using the identical Wi-Fi SSID. Mismatched networks block discovery. If you run a guest network, switch to the primary. Now that AirPlay is turned on and devices can see each other, you're ready to send your first connection request. Now you'll perform the actual connection from your iPhone or iPad. Swipe to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon, and select your Roku from the device list. If Roku displays a 4-digit PIN, enter it on your iOS device. This pairing secures the link. Make sure to accept any permission prompts on the Roku screen so media can stream. If you want audio only, open the app's AirPlay menu and choose Roku as the output device instead of full screen mirroring. Finish by confirming playback. Start a video or mirror your home screen, then adjust orientation or volume from the iOS controls. To stop, tap Stop Mirroring or press Home on the Roku remote. If your Roku doesn't appear, power cycle router and devices, verify both are on the same subnet, and disable VPNs or AP isolation. Make sure Roku and iOS have the latest updates. Update if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable Bluetooth and reconnect. This often resolves discovery and pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.